Hi guys, welcome to my channel Payal's recipe. Today I'm going to show you a very delicious rice recipe that's spicy basil fried rice, and it's simple to make at home, so let's get started. The ingredients for this recipe are a cup of rice that I have boiled already. Then I have some vegetables here. These are the finely chopped bell peppers, some carrots, peas, and some green onions or spring onions. Then I have some black pepper, some salt to taste, some red chili flakes, some red chilies that are dried, oil, some cilantro, and since it's a spicy basil fried rice, this is some basil leaves that I've crushed into a paste with one green chili. So this is one green chili and some basil leaves paste that I made in a blender. These are some chopped baby corns. These are some grated green chilies and garlic. So it's about 3 cloves of garlic and couple of green chilies, 2 green chilies, and some mushrooms. Now the first thing that I'm going to do is heat the pan and add the oil. And once the oil is hot, I'm going to throw in our green chilies and garlic. And mushrooms. Just saute them for a minute. And now I'm going to add the red chilies and all the other vegetables. That's the green onions, peas, carrots, and capsicum or bell pepper. And next goes in the baby corns. Now I'm going to saute this on high flame for about 3 to 4 minutes. Now I'm going to add the salt, the black pepper, and the chili flakes, and continue cooking these vegetables for another 2 to 3 minutes. Okay, our vegetables have fried, and now I'm going to add the basil leaves and the green chili paste. And mix everything. And now to this I'm going to add our rice that is already boiled. This is the boiled rice. And some cilantro. And just toss everything together. So our spicy basil fried rice is now ready and it smells amazing, and I'm going to serve it right now. Now here's our delicious and spicy basil fried rice, which I'm going to serve with some lime wedges, and it looks super delicious and tempting. I hope you enjoyed this recipe of spicy basil fried rice, and do like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel Payal's recipe. Until next time, thanks and bye-bye.